Today, we're diving into the world of natural remedies with a focus on the versatile and popular ice cream bean tree, also known as Inga agilis. This incredible tree is a member of the Fabaceae family and is native to tropical regions of Central and South America. It's known for its unique flavored fruit and its numerous health benefits. Let's start with the fruit of Inga agilis. It's a little round, bean-like fruit that can be eaten fresh or dried for preservation. They're not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients like vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and even some protein. These nutrients are great for boosting immune health, promoting digestion, protecting against disease, and even improving your mood. But Inga agilis isn't just about its fruit. The leaves of this tree are also incredibly beneficial. They can be made into tea to help alleviate headaches or stomach aches, or even used as a natural remedy for skin conditions like eczema. And if you're not keen on the taste of traditional tea, don't worry. Inga agilis leaves can be added to salads for a nutrient-rich boost without changing the flavor profile. Inga agilis is also an important source of reforestation in parts of Central and South America where deforestation has been an issue. Its fast growth rate and deep root system make it an excellent candidate for restoring degraded soils and combating soil erosion in these areas. So, there you have it. Remember to stay healthy and always explore nature's bounty for your well-being. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time.